Staying connected is critical for economic and social prosperity, yet almost half of the world's population remains offline. While 90% of future jobs will require digital skills, and currently less than 30% of STEM jobs are held by women. These shortfalls give rise to gender workforce gaps and generate technologies that fail to meet the needs of women and girls. To ensure equal opportunities to develop digital skills, the Equals Global Partnership aims to create an unstoppable movement where women and girls are equal participants in the digital technology revolution and can benefit from job opportunities through a new initiative to boost her digital skills. The initiative includes 3 complementary programmatic components. The Equals Her Digital Skills workshops, introducing technical knowledge and education needed for careers in technology. The Equals Badge program, offering free gender transformative digital skills training and certification to boost women's chances of pursuing their goals. The E-mentoring program, connecting companies from among the tech and mobile industries with emerging talent and to increase interest, involvement and awareness to reduce the tech gender gap. Since its launch, the Digital Skills Workshops and E-mentoring program have benefited over 300,000 girls and young women in over 50 countries across 5 continents, with 95% of participants improving their knowledge of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics career paths, and their confidence to pursue tech training and careers.
To give those girls an advice of they can do everything. They have to be proud of themselves, to be confident. They have to believe in themselves.
Every story counts. The impact of her digital skills won't just be measured in numbers. It's also about the individual stories we're fortunate to help shape. That's why Equals is committed to elevate her digital skills to reach 1 million girls and young women by 2026, in line with our ambition to fulfill the SDGs and generation equality. Join the movement by visiting equalsintech.org.